How to delete pages from a PDF file. Open your PDF. Here's my sample PDF. It has 30 pages. Let's say I want to delete page 2, page 6, page 10, and page 20. Go to the website, open your browser and go to ilovepdf.com/remove pages. I'll also leave this link in the description below for quick access. Upload your PDF. Click on Select PDF File and upload the document you want to edit. Once it's uploaded, you'll see all the pages of your PDF. Choose Pages to remove. Now, just click on the pages you want to delete. For example, pages 4 to 5 and pages 20 to 21. You can also type the page numbers manually, like 25, if you only want to remove one specific page. Remove and download. After selecting all the pages, click the Remove Pages button. The tool will automatically process your file and start downloading the updated PDF. You'll notice the new file name includes _remove.pdf. Check your file. Open the new PDF. You'll see that your selected pages are gone. The document that originally had 30 pages now has 25. Wrap up, and that's it. You've successfully deleted pages from your PDF using iLovePDF. No software needed. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.